How did a city rise from a swamp to dominate the world? Without roads, solid ground, or fresh water. The year is 452. The Roman Empire is crumbling. Huns are sweeping through northern Italy, leaving cities in ruins and families running for their lives. Some of these refugees fled to a strange, muddy lagoon off the coast. They settled on tiny, marshy islands that should have been impossible to live on. Yet against all odds, they built a city that would become one of the greatest engineering marvels in history, Venice. No roads, no firm ground, no fresh water, just mud, water, and a vision that would change the world. The islands were soft, swampy, and completely unstable. The ground could barely hold a person, let alone buildings. So, the Venetians had an idea: timber piles. They harvested huge logs from forests in Croatia and drove them deep, about 5 meters, into the clay until they hit a firmer layer. Then came the genius part. The piles weren't just driven randomly, they were packed tightly, compressing the clay around them and pushing water out. On top of this, wooden planks were laid, and Istrian stone blocks were carefully placed to create raised foundations above the water. Here's the twist. The wood never rotted. Buried under water and sealed from air, these piles have lasted more than 1,000 years, still holding up buildings today. Early Venetian houses were made of wood, but after repeated fires, brick became the main material. Yet even then, weight had to be controlled. Buildings were limited to 3 stories, and lime mortar was used instead of cement, so structures could flex slightly as the ground shifted. Inner walls were crisscrossed like trellises for extra stability, while heavier facade walls were pinned with iron rods to prevent collapse. Every building was a balance of lightness, strength, and flexibility, an engineering marvel before modern engineering even existed. Initially, the islands were separate. People crossed by boats, or sometimes just waded through shallow water. Bridges didn't exist for the first 500 years. As the population grew, connecting the islands became critical, especially to reach Rialto, Venice's financial heart. A prize was offered for the best bridge design. The first bridge was a simple pontoon. Then came a wooden bridge, which eventually burned down, before finally being replaced with a massive stone bridge. Over 12,000 timber piles and 10,000 tons of stone went into its construction. And remarkably, this bridge still stands today, carrying traffic over the canals that made Venice so unique. Stone bridges multiplied, and suddenly Venice became a city entirely built on canals instead of roads. Goods, people, and commerce could flow without ever intersecting with pedestrians or horses, an engineering solution that made the city faster and richer than any other in Europe. With a booming population, Venice faced another problem: fresh water. Surrounded by seawater, the city had no springs or rivers. Venetians got creative. Every island had squares built as rainwater collectors. Layers of clay, sand, and stones filtered water into central wells. Roofs were fitted with gutters to channel rain into these squares. Over 600 wells collected fresh water across the city, an elegant, low-tech engineering solution that kept Venice alive. But water alone wasn't enough. Waste was a massive problem. Until the 16th century, people simply threw waste into canals or onto the streets. Then, Venetian engineers built an underground tunnel network to carry waste from every building to the canals. The system used the natural tide. Low tide collected solids, and high tide flushed them away. Salty lagoon water acted as a natural disinfectant, keeping streets surprisingly clean for a city built on mud. Thousands of years later, almost all of this ancient engineering still works. Bridges, canals, foundations, and wells continue to support the city. Venice is proof that clever, creative engineering can overcome even the harshest natural limitations. Every pile, brick, and canal tells a story of ingenuity, survival, and vision. A city that rose from mud to wealth and power, not through luck, but through extraordinary planning and design. And that is the story of how Venice went from a swamp to one of the most impressive engineering marvels in history. If you love learning how humans have solved impossible engineering challenges, make sure to subscribe to Built Smart PK. We dive deep into fascinating projects, old and new, that show how engineering shapes our world. Also, comment below. Which Venetian engineering feat blew your mind the most? The timber foundations, the canals, or the waste management system? Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video, where we explore another mind-blowing engineering marvel.